Cuk mai te. Lugaro. Auna.
Oh, sorry.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Round one, fight!
Lokso. Lệ tùy bur, thổ nan thọc bẻ xe.
भीम की शक्ति धूम मचाए, सामने कोई टिक ना पाए, छोटा भीम
The power of tùy bur.
A few moments later.
एक छुक चाहिँ स्टोरी ठलाउने
No, God! No, God, please, no!
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。Fatality. And his name is John C. No.
Watch out!
A few moments later.
If you wanna go, then you go to hill and go down.
Why you get
Okay,
fried,
yes,
man?
why? Are you crazy?
You're fucking
Because
paranoid,
you are
man.
fucking, you are fucking.
You fucking you bloody.
You bloody-
Fuck you bloody. Bastard bitch.
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck
you.
you. Bloody fuck you bloody. Fucking mother bloody fuck bitch.
Wait, you
Bloody
what
fuck
do?
you fucking bloody bastard. Benchwood bloody.
Branchot, you.
You blunder.
No, but why? is-
Bloody no.
Why?
Bloody
That
fucking.
is accident, then what you wanna do?
Why you fuck me? I fuck you bloody. Bloody bastard. Fucking running like lady, eh? Bloody. What the fuck, man? Fucking now shout at me, innit? Why you shouting at me?
Because I am going to the work. If you don't do, you do to other places.
Why you shouting?
Because of this, you are doing. I don't know. You are doing like this. I think you are going to accident.
No, shouting at me no good, man. Me no shout at you.
But the thing is that, what you think if you do like this one, you are going at work and somebody else.
But
do
that
like
one,
this.
if you running like that one, you gonna fucking fall, innit?
But
Hurting yourself.
But yeah, because of this, I save myself.
That one very icy road, man. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.
नगर